Hello, everybody. Good day, good Tuesday. Hello, hello. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ignas from Daily Pips Trading, and we're back at it. We just had a very good stream yesterday. 250 in the books. Something like that. I don't know. I just posted it on the channel so everybody could see it. So good day so far. Fun stuff, and my dogs are barking right now, so let me fix that, and I'm gonna be with you in just 1 second. All right. Hello guys, hope you're good. Hope you're good. Hope you're doing all right, man. Sun is shining today. I'm sweating my balls off. Alright, but yeah, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be fine. Looking at the charts, let's dive straight into the charts because there's a few things to cover right away, and then we go ahead and look at what's to come later. Okay, still watching this. I like how this is getting attacked, kinda. Massive order block out here. Hopefully holding in. Not this. Yesterday in the stream I even said trend lines are there so we can attack them. Am I right or am I right? This trend line, I'm very much interested for it to be attacked, but for that to happen we need a break of structure. Where is the break of structure happening itself? Here. Up. So 10 basically. That's what we're Hello Thomas. Hi. Hope you're okay. Hope you're doing well. Just starting from scratch, I got a new paypex. But getting back up there again. I've heard again quite a few times last 2 weeks. So again times X. What's what you said? Again times equals to. This one is for the last week. Ah, okay, okay. 60. That's good, man. I'm on 72nd or something, so still have ways to go. Trust me when I say that as well, you know? All good. I'm just trying to set up the copier, set up the engine, so everything's running smoothly. Copier is there. I see a red dot. Something is not connected. Apex is not connected. Let's go in. Copier closed. And I think I'm already in trouble because I closed the copier before I closed the Ninja Trader itself. Aye. We're having a little bit of a laid back start today. Who's gonna make a guess why I'm not even watching the charts yet? Who knows? Why I'm not interested in what the price is doing right now? I'm not interested, simply because the Chair Powell is speaking later today, 10 a.m. So up until the point we get to 10 a.m. I have nothing to do. We're just gonna hang out. I'm gonna do my copying setup because I'm literally redoing it right now. Sucks. It is what it is. We traded yesterday, right? So yesterday was an interesting day. I'm talking when I'm doing the setup, so I hope you don't mind if I lose the train of thought a little bit from time to time. But we had an interesting day yesterday because of two reasons. Because NFP Friday, usually Monday after NFP, it's just, for you guys, it's just taking a lot of notes when I speak like this, right? So what I mean by that is that Monday after NFP Friday usually sucks. Keyword, usually, statistically, right? Why do you need to put it in your notes? Because next time you come to a Monday after NFP, you're gonna know that you're putting low expectations to it, right? What do I usually say about Mondays without red folder economic news drivers? They suck. Price delivery is awful, usually, right? Put it to your notes. Next time you come into Monday after NFP, Monday to after NFP, you have it in your notes. You have a set expectation in terms of what you're looking to do that day, right? Sounds simple, but it is that simple. So at the same time, third reason my price yesterday was pretty awful. I'm gonna guess. We literally delivered every single target we wanted delivered before the session started itself, which makes it very interesting. But it's true. Everything we wanted to see, which is buy side getting delivered, was delivered. And it delivered before the stream even started, right? So, made it a very hard session right away. Incredibly hard. But, you know, you come into the market, if you're willing to trade that, you're coming into it understanding the fact that you're looking to put on risk, right? Interesting thing is happening on Euro. I was watching this balanced price range actually, 15 minutes. I was very much interested in this balanced price range, push the price to the upside. This optimal trade entry, bomb, push to the upside. I was literally about to open a trade here. Good enough, I didn't. This is way too juicy for me. Like I want this to get attacked. Watching that closely. What else do we have? USD. Nothing too interesting. Breaker block. On paper. Entry for paper. Of mid. 3% left. Sounds alright, no? Sounds quite alright. I'm gonna be watching that for possibilities going lower. And then we go into NQ and guys, again, I'm making this slow, intentional. Why? Because Fed Chair Powell is speaking in 22 minutes. Look at what we are having right now. We're having a consolidation profile. Market is in range. Market is in. Nothing cool is happening. We even have an SMT at the top. Have to note. NQ is failing to take out buy side compared to ES. ES took out buy stops throughout the morning hours that were left open after the midnight came, right? Empty at the top. What I'm watching. I want to see lower prices, but for a top until proven wrong at the same time. You know? Two things that are very hard to manage. Patience, but have to deal with. what I want and what the market is looking to give us. Two separate things. So I'm gonna wait for Fed Chair Powell to speak. And if I just look at the chart right now, I say NQ, push to the upside. I'm interested. Let's go. So first call kind of we're gonna make today is gonna be watching it closely. 15 minutes inversion after an SMT because sell side was taken here. Yeah. I like this. Not entering, not touching it, man, but touching it. Hmm. 1 minute. When I'm watching this possibility of the market pushing to the upside. Am I taking this? No. Neither should you. Bam. Initial target is right over here. That's where you take off a partial. I should be filming this. If you guys are watching, timestamp 4:30. No, when was the call made? 9:25. Partial should be taken. Stop loss break. I think I said it in Discord when I went offline last week that this week we're gonna focus a lot on journaling, back testing, figuring out the model itself. Yeah, that's what I'm that's why I'm doing this. Just literally talking out loud what I would do if I would be opening a trade, how I would manage it, and so on and so forth. So entry was incredibly simple. This you can notice every single day, any time of the day as well. SMT, because NQ took sell side, 1 ES failed, right? 15 minutes inversion, bomb, enter. Let it rip. Market just opened up. This is cool. Who's in the trade? W. Chat. Say W in the chat if you're taking this. W. Done. And this is where you're done for the day. How's the audio though? I always have to check. How's the audio? I hope the audio is good, okay? Sell how price delivers before the market open. There's nothing to be sad about. This is why we got into that very little, but still let's call it an emotional exchange on because when you say it like that, when you say it's sad that the market runs without me, looking, I don't know if you agree with it, but in the back of your head, you're sad that the market do it. If you're thinking any time of the day about missing profits, like making it so hard on yourself, your job still should be to learn how to read price perfectly, not after the fact, before. You're not interested in anything that is behind this. Even here, you want to be predicting the price. You want to be in a position where you know what the price is going to do, instead of looking at that in a hindsight saying, oh, too bad it ran towards what I wanted to see already. Our target 21009.5 though. And hello there. Long time no see, man. Long time no see. How are we today? What's good? How do we say it? I just watched somebody do a live stream. They used to say, "What's poppin'?" Oh. Okay, the guy said that the microphone is muting from time to time. Too bad. Let me check. Popcorn in the microwave? Let's go, man. I don't want to make the gain of the microphone too loud. So, popcorn in the microphone. Stop that. This should make it better. This should make it a lot better now. I very much hope so. I very much hope so. Popcorns. So, what do we have so far? SMT at the lows, sell side taken, right? 15 minutes inversion, let's go. This, instead of sell side, now becomes a liquidity pool. Guys who were here yesterday, who remembers what did we do yesterday? Just like we're having it right now. Market opened up, it pushed everything to the upside. Manipulation. Right? Power of 3. What do we have here? Accumulation. Manipulation. What are we gonna be looking at afterwards? Distribution. I'm gonna participate in that. This is where I'm watching the market to go. As liquidity is left open, who's happy? Again, another way of looking at this. Who's happy? Everybody who bought into this is happy. We're happy as well because we called the market. Definitely happy. But everybody who bought into this is happy as well, right? We want to attack them. We want to push them away from their orders. So, let's see. But, not going to touch it until Fed Chair Powell speaks. And I'm with my headset in as well, because I'm probably gonna listen to him speak. Soon as he takes off away from that stage, that's our time to shine, our time to go. Yeah. The structure is breaking on NQ. Interestingly enough, that NQ is staying stronger compared to ES now. Weird, but still watching. Hands off. Laissez-faire, as they say. Excuse my friend. Oh, that I just did 2 puns in one go. Be that. No pun intended, but laissez-faire. Excuse my French. What did we say about the sell side? Watch that closely. I forgot to post the screenshot immediately, sorry. Just posted the trade on Discord for your notes, guys. That's the smartest thing you can do. Collect everything I do, analyze it, come back to it, ask questions. Talking questions, Arnas requested something. I'm gonna record it so people can come back to it. Okay? I think it was on daily. And the question was literally about how I got to the target itself. Four hours. Where's the real move? Move starting. Think to be. Oh, which chart did I do it on? I'm thinking now, because it was supposed to be the daily chart. That's where the real move starts. Poof, to the downside, right? And then we have an entry like this, right? Cool. How did I'm literally, this will sound so weird. I did a video that I literally measured my target, and now when I'm thinking about how I got to that, I'm honestly being confused because I'm trying to remember what I did instead of actually measuring it out, which is just weird. What did I do? Okay, let's forget what I did talk about. Let's go into what I would do now if I would be measuring for a possibility to enter a trade now, right? So where's the, I always ask myself a question. when I look at the market, when I look at the chart itself. Where's the real move coming from? Right? Where's the real move starting? The move doesn't start here, right? We've been just pushing R. The move itself starts here when we run through liquidity, when we SMT, when we create something that we can come back to in a way, right? That's the real move of the market, right? So let me, what do I usually do? I usually don't measure this, where the push to the upside happens. I usually measure the manipulation stage of it, right? We kind of accumulated out here, right? If you look especially on 1 hour chart, there was bunches of accumulation happening there. Accumulation, push to the downside, liquidity taken, SMT, bam, the real move starts out there. And I think I just measured it wrong, that's why I never got to it. 2109 was my target. I just put the fib with my left hand or something possibly. So where is it? Can I get that a little bit brighter? No, I can't. -100. -1. So bam, yellow. Here we go. That's my target for this upcoming week. All right. I like this breakaway gap opening up. That's just brilliant. I want this to remain open. And I want the market to just continually push for one standard deviation move. So, just so we all would be on the same page, I'm gonna show you how I get to a spot like this, okay? We're still pushing higher here. In Q, what do we have for them? Nothing cool happening here. Okay, how do I get to that? Usually the market works like this, right? It's higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, whatever, right? Consolidates. Usually then manipulates to take away liquidity from the market, right? Sell side taken. It's great when the market not only does that, but creates an SMT also. Then we want the market to make a turn to distribute, right? Usually that distribution doesn't happen like this. That distribution stage usually looks something like liquidity taken, right? So let me just come back to this again. Boom, 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 boom. We accumulated, right? Sell side was taken. And that's not how we take the sell side. Oh my god. That's how usually the market works. It does usually two moves. So two things you can learn from this right away. We very much avoid first move away from that liquidity pool. That's why I usually say that I'm very often trying to avoid the first fair value gap that the market offers. Right? I'm very often trying to avoid that. I hate trading them. That's usually this leg of price, that's usually where that happens. First inversion, first offer to buy in, and then bam, it crashes on you again. Wait that out. And then we wait for the distribution, and distribution happens once break of structure is visible. Break of structure, push to the downside where? The fair value gap that is open. Then the distribution happens. Right? So what do I measure with my fib? I measure the real move. That's where the real move is. And then I measure my fib extensions. If you want to see the settings on that fib, just stop the stream. I'm making a screenshot myself now. I'm gonna put it in Discord, but study channel, I'll do that. Let's make it nice. Let's make it look good. Pum pum pum. Done. Go to study channel, you're gonna find the screenshot if you're missing on it. But that's where the real move happens. Bam. Then we, on lower time frame, usually manipulate again. Bam. Distribution. So we want to measure this first leg. That's how we usually get to the extensions on Fibonacci. That would be the first partial, second partial. And the beautiful thing here is that we usually don't trade at all-time highs all the time, right? We usually trade at some sort of liquidity that's on the other side of the market. So what usually happens is that the partial usually happens at a certain buy-side liquidity pool, which aligns with that standard deviation. Another liquidity pool that usually aligns with that standard deviation. Like I'm doing it in a very ugly manner, but usually those standard deviations are like 1-2 points away from the liquidity pools we want to be attacking. So yeah, hope you like this. This is gold, guys. Save this. Rewatched it 15 times. Use fibs then. Fibs are good. Fibs are good. Yeah, let me get rid of this though. Pam 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 pam. Let's go back. We're gonna wait this. We're gonna allow the Fed chair to speak. We hopefully are gonna find a trade we can enter right after. And then, what are we gonna do then? Huh? Do we have trade? Yeah. No, we don't. So, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna talk about the model itself, because I think that's the thing I can help you guys with. Because I see people posting trades where they enter something when they shouldn't. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I like how we're creating a lot of liquidity here. You see this? Pam, 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 pam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Never a lower low, only liquidity. Same here. Just saying. Mm-hmm. 5 more minutes. Oh. Who's gonna listen to the guy speak, huh? Not worth it in terms of taking information away from it, but definitely worth it in terms of just hearing it out, seeing that doesn't matter what he says, the markets are just gonna go. Yeah. You have to do it once with the right mindset, and then you realize that the fact that it doesn't matter what happens in those conferences, the markets just go. He won't be on the stage even. I can promise you. Okay, I can't promise you that, but my bet is he won't be on the stage when the liquidity pools are gonna be run through. Simply put. How do you know that? Because that's how it works. That's how algorithm delivers price. Here. This being taken would make the markets go in sync. That's the same high. Would be cool to run this through. I like, after the news release, I like when the markets are in sync. That's just usually very lovely. When there's no news, sure thing. I totally understand when the SMTs happen, how to use them, and so on and so forth. Me personally, I like it a lot better when the markets are in sync. Thing released. So I hope we'll get that. I'm just looking now for any openings. This I'll just get rid of, and I'm gonna move it towards this imbalance. And that's the most recent imbalance, so I'm gonna be watching it. Oh, the guy is out there. Let's see. Let's see what good he can do for the humanity. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Nothing could be an answer also. Easy. Is he on the stage though? Nobody's even speaking yet. I'm watching it right now. Half of the seats are empty. Oh, he's out there already. With a face that is rusty. He's looking to do some harm. So this is gonna be possibly a trade entry for us. I don't like the fact that it's gonna be 20 handle stop out, but we have an SMT. We just failed to take out buy side compared to yes. What I don't like is the fact that he's gonna open his mouth immediately after we enter. That's just annoying. Run. Just like we did it yesterday. I'm gonna trust my mod. I'm just watching what's out here in regular fib. Shoot. This is running and running fast though. Too fast for my liking. He's not even speaking, huh? Boring. I need this to go down next 5 seconds. Otherwise I'm taking this off. Yep. Too bad. So this is the entry. I'm looking on the other side of the market. Too bad. Let me do something real quick as well on my end. Just 1 second. Sun was just shining way too heavily. Sorry about that. Too bad. All good though. What does the guy have to say? Who knows? All right. He opened his mouth. Too bad. Why I always say that Fed Shield Powell is speaking is annoying. Fed Chair Powell speaking is actually very similar to an event that is called FOMC. FOMC is a two-stage event. I know a few of you guys watched it even a while ago. And FOMC is two-stage event because the market just starts running when the conference is not even starting at 2 p.m. on Wednesdays, right? And then they start speaking, and then the real conference starts at actually 2:30. So it's the two-stage event, right? And the difficult part about it is that when they go out and start speaking, they move the market around so heavily. Like, it's insane what they do to the market in terms of them just opening their mouths, you know? And this, so, I don't know. Forex is just ripping. Look at this. Right? They're just going. This is just too bad, but can't do much about it. Watching this YouTube 2022 now panning out on ES, that's gonna be the second trade for me, and if that doesn't pan out, I'm gonna be done for today in terms of trading. See how I make it very simple for myself. Trade limit order. We're diving way too deep. Said this won't be long there, right? That's already taken. That's already taken, so... Am I interested in holding on to this now? Perfect fib extension though. Like, parfait. Just like we've drawn it out. Initial move. This is the real move. Right? That just got broken, so... Makes it quite reasonable for us to look for lower prices right away. Now the dilemma here is that you can't be certain whether you're looking for this to be the entry or the breakaway gap, right? Because of that fib extension, I'm gonna use the breakaway gap. It will be too bad if we're not getting tagged, but it's cool. Oh no. I just realized that Ignas opened the exact same trade as I did. I went chickens. He held on to this. This is a good entry though. Like we're gonna push lower. So all I have to do is just get in there. I'm doubting myself. That's where the problem comes in. So let me take this off. This is beautiful. Take a look at 5 minutes. Like we're breaking the structure right away. 3, 4, 3, 2. 2 minutes, 1 minute. This is lovely. I'm chickening out. No. Oh, I'm in. We're gonna use that as an entry. We're gonna go right at outside resting below. We're not gonna overdo it. Stop loss. That's what we're gonna hold on to. And we fail again. Easy. Like, I'm not saying we won't. We'll suck ass if we do, but I'm just trusting this breakout structure, like that this is not here to hold, you know. So I'm trusting that. This is way too deep of a retracement for me though now already. You see how I'm talking out loud? I'm literally saying out loud what I'm looking at in the chart, in the price itself. Us closing above this, that's it for me. I'm not interested in this. Podcast about psychology, really? I'm good for you, man. Good for you. Have you seen me have 2 open positions in one time before? We're killing this. Yeah, we just got killed. All good. And we're gonna have to kill this possibly as well. Not yet, but... Market probably forgot about Celsius, exactly. Just like yesterday, man. Exactly what we got yesterday, man. Full on. Bam. Killed. This is rough, man. What are they talking about? Like, literally, when I see something like this, I go, what are they talking about? This is funny, man. Watch this. Killed. This is still gonna go lower. We know for a fact this is gonna go lower. It's just... Let's do this. Bump. Let's make it go away into current interval, into here, 15. That inversion still allowing the market to go higher, right? Which is cool. Hourly, no issues there. Sell side taken, SMT at the lows, right? All good. 15 minutes, literally bullish. Send it out loud, bullish in 15 minutes. What do we have next? 5 minutes? Nothing you can work with. Five? No, nothing you can work with on 5. 4? 3 minutes? 2. 1. Yes, it is annoying. It's cool though. So let me do this again. 9:30 the market opens up. What happens? Push to the upside, liquidity taken, yeah? Accumulation. Outside taken, die. These equal loss just got beaten. And the market says let's go. Too bad. So we have an SMT here. Yeah, we do. South side was still left over. Let's see this inversion. So this is holding the price to the upside now, right? And SMT at the top. Like, oh. So good luck with dealing with this. I'm saying it out loud to myself even now. Good luck with dealing with it. Sell side taken, buy side taken. Both sides of the market killed. Like, look at it. Like it's just opening up. And yes, it's just getting squeezed. Which is insane. Markets are so not insane, but markets probably forgot about sell side. Yeah, that's exactly. Actually, looking at the chart, market gave entry to longs from my previous 3-minute entry where the price never touched. From this is empty right here. Okay. I can understand that. I think we are going to the moon again and trading day is over, possibly, man. Just watch this. 21009 or 14. Like, I don't 14. Something out there. Just watch it. Now I see 3 minutes inversion here. Holy macaroni, man. And you have an SMT here at the lows as well. That is cool. Looking at 3 minutes, this is an inversion as well. Not saying anything about it, just reading the market in front of you guys. Pom right here. But then you have an SMT at the top and it's just... So let's listen to them speak a little bit more. How long are they gonna stay in there, I wonder? I don't know if you're watching it, guys, but I hate when people read their speeches. That Mr. Scott guy is literally reading it off his paper. Hmm. Let's take a look here. Dollar. Broke the structure. This is just both sides of the market taken, like. I'm gonna say it out loud. I'm interested in this on EU. I like this. I might just do it now. I like this. Let's watch it closely. GU. That breaker block. Gone. Inverting here. I'm not touching. This is way too much. And we're gonna have it again tomorrow. This is what I said in the weekly outlook. Usually when we have Fed chair testifying, it goes two ways. Either the market consolidates and just kills both sides of the markets once, twice, thrice, like just continues doing it throughout the morning and throughout the conference, just like we have right now. Or consolidates, runs the liquidity pool and goes. It's like 50-50. Sometimes we get the whole power of 3 setup with accumulation, manipulation, distribution presented to us in like 15 minutes when they do their opening speeches and everything, which was my expectation. Sometimes we get what we're looking at right now, which is annoying. But knowing that fact, I'm expecting exactly the same to happen tomorrow. So I'm not gonna be interested in this at all. Just watching this EU do a little bit of work. And QSMT is both sides of the markets, like we're not touching it. Nothing too cool out here. But I wanted to talk about something, so let's dive into that. Let's do some talking, and after that, let's go into possibly finishing the live stream because there's nothing to my liking here. Let's take a look at the euro again. I like watching euro better than futures, which is funny. So, what I wanted to talk about is, where is it? Study channel. Copy image. I want to talk about this. And we're just going. Which is fine, which is cool, but at the same time it's too bad. Euro, I'm just leaving it. It's fine. This getting tagged, annoying. This is what it is though, like there's nothing we can do about this. Nothing we can do about that neither. Yeah, let's check 5 minutes. We'll see. But something I want to talk about is right here in this screenshot. Outside taken, liquidity taken, like this is good. Nothing we can work with though. At all. But simply put, let's dive into this because nothing good is happening in front of us. I wanted to talk about the model, bringing it up front, testing it out, back testing. Because I constantly talk about you getting to one, you know, you back testing the model, you trusting the model, you executing the model. Everything when I do the talking goes around the model itself, you know. And this is what I want to talk about while the markets are just crashing, which is fun, to do. So ICT posted this on Twitter a while ago, actually, while ago. But I think this is one of the best things you can look at in terms of developing one, which is the model itself, right? 7 points. Looks simple, but out of those 7 points you can go to 35, 50 bullet points in terms of what your entry looks like. It starts with a very simple things, knowledge of the market conditions. I provide my knowledge for you guys about that through the weekly outlook. I constantly talk about which days have no economic news drivers. Constantly talk about protocols for FOMC, NFP, CPI release. I give constant feedback on what I see in the market in terms of Power 3 delivery, weekly profile. Yeah? Constantly mentioning Samuel doldrums and why we shouldn't be putting much risk out there throughout these summer months. Right? Constantly mention a lot of things day in, day out that you guys can use to develop that knowledge on the market condition itself. Market conditions, how they look like and so on. Literally, I'm repeating myself, but it's in the weekly outlook every single week, every single day. Learning them by heart, knowing them by heart for you, it's not even that necessary, you know? But knowing what kind of weekly profile expectation we're having, that's one of the best things you can have in front of you. Because then the model starts with that and you know whether you're looking to engage with price today or not. Whether you're looking to have a holiday next upcoming weekend that is going to be 4 days instead of 2 or not, right? Time and price, I think that's quite clear. I always say AM session for future trading is the best session you can trade. 10 to midnight. Oh, 10 to midday, noon. If you're looking to trade forex, you should be looking to do New York session. That's the best time of the day where you can do your trading. Yeah. Time over price theory itself talks a lot about algorithmic price delivery. How we constantly believe that time is more important than the price itself. How algorithmic delivery starts spinning and booking the price that we want to see booked in certain times of the day. For example, 10 to 10 macro, 10 to 11 macro, the kill zone itself. Right? Narrative, the why behind the price moving to a certain position. This you can do in two ways. This you can make it very technical, well as having higher time frame liquidity pools noted when you trade lower time frame delivery. This can be done by having higher time frame imbalances noted when you work with lower time frame price delivery entry itself, right? We're having another SMT. When I speak, I'm watching something, so sorry about that, but I'm watching this now. Of that SMT. Other mean of matter narrative is literally getting a little bit of fundamental knowledge in seasonality. Could be something you can use. For example, quarter 1 and 2 for index futures are usually bullish. Quarter 3 bearish, quarter 4 bullish again. You just know half of the narrative you need to know. Another part of narrative is understanding the fact that these markets are being driven by top 10 companies in the world. If they're going to do great this upcoming quarter, the markets are going to do great in front of you as well. You see how easy I'm making this? Market structure. Bullish, bearish. We're in premium, we're in discount. What's the Fibonacci equilibrium right now? Where is it at? Maybe you want to measure 60 days. IPTA dealing range. 90 days IPTA dealing range, right? Maybe there's a breaker block on the 4-hour chart right now holding in the price. Maybe we just rejected off a propulsion block. Maybe there's a rejection candle somewhere. No, market structure. Goes a lot together with the weekly profile as well, but it's important. Should be in your model. Real order flow. Sounds funny, but that's everything I talk about constantly. Getting rid of doji candles, getting rid of supply demand zones, getting rid of trend lines, getting rid of indicators. Understanding the reality of why the market moves. Reality of why the market moves is very, very simple. The market moves because of two reasons. It either wants to deliver towards a liquidity pool, or it's filling an imbalance. There's no other reason why the market is making a move. All right? Sound money management. This is what I do day in, day out. You see me lose more times than I win per day. I'm still profitable. Sound money management one-on-one. Don't risk more than you can lose. If you know that you go nuts after you lose 25 bucks, your risk should be 12 bucks, 12.5. If you know that you're fine after losing 2k, 1k is your risk then, you know? But literally, guys, sound money management starts with understanding what's your limit yourself. If you go nuts after losing an account, which is $35, you know who I'm referring to. $35 is nothing when you consider that. Now we're holding on onto a trade, which is awesome. Yeah. Excellent entry and exit criteria. This is where the fun part begins. I just gave you 6 massive things from which you should have about 30 at least bullet points as your trade entry model description. And only now we go into the entry model itself. Because now, a lot of you I see when I tell you what's your entry model, you give me 3 things. That is happening in like 3 minutes. So you can enter and allow yourself to enter a trade, which is sad. And not only that, half of that point, you don't mention anything because half of this point is your exit criteria. We made a video about it, very simple exit criteria, counting 1, 2, 3. And with that in mind, kind of now you knowing how much of a math geek I am, being able to count to 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and give me a proper entry model. Talk on Discord. Dollar, boring. Euro. Oh, I really wanted that. Let's go. Geo. We get through this. I'm holding on to it, so 2 more minutes. Not stop loss at break even. No. 5 minutes imbalance, right? I wanted to allow the market to continuously go higher from here. Pet chair is still speaking though. How annoying is that? This is good. I like this. Outside delivered. Break of structure. 1 minute inversion. Entry. Fine. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this to break even. Yeah, we're good. I could possibly look to add to this, but I'll stay away. Stay away. I'm just watching if there's another possibility to add to this. Possibly no. Again, where the real move happened. Bomb. I'm gonna do this. Still holding on to this. I'm gonna go for 2 standard deviations. Make it simple. This is one standard. I would love to be trading more contracts than this. Like, that's for sure. That's for certain. But I'm not. So, still waiting it out. No? And this is gonna be it by me today. I have a few messages to answer. I have a few things to do still for like 10 or 15 minutes for work. And that will be it, guys. So I'm just gonna say it right now. Take good care of this position. Take good care. Take a good take profit. Enjoy the rest of the day. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to be here tomorrow. I'm not sure. If I am, we're gonna do it on Discord, okay? We're not gonna go live on YouTube. We're gonna do it on Discord. It's gonna be more fun for you guys, okay? But otherwise, see you Thursday. Bye. Bye-bye.